This picture shows a cancer cell that has caught a lymphocyte with two outstretched arms, escaping the attack of the immune cells. It's also absorbing a lymphocyte in a cup-shaped hollow. Stretching out a long arm, a cancer cell has just caught a lymphocyte. A lymphocyte absorbed into a cancer cell, leaving the traces of its two attacking arms behind. A lymphocyte completely taken into a cancer cell. The hollow part shows a trace of a lymphocyte which has been killed and absorbed. A cancer cell fights against red blood cells as well. In the human body, such a cell war between immune cells and alien substances continues. When your immunity gets weaker for some reason, you'll be defeated in cell wars and become ill as a result. How to remove the causes reducing immune strength. How to keep your immunity high to win the war to protect yourself from falling ill. First of all, you must by all means remove every factor causing your immunity to be reduced. Stress has a strong impact on your immune system, and good daily control of your stress is very important. For example, the activity of an NK cell, one of the immune cells, of a rat kept in an overcrowded cage, is reduced to less than 1/3. A student preparing for an exam or a patient in a hospital has their immunity substantially lowered from the stress. Immunity deteriorates with age. In the case of the rat, its immunity reaches a peak at the 6th week and falls to around 1/8 at the 35th week. The peak period is equivalent to 18 to 22 years of age in humans. In the 40s, the start of the cancer age, one's immunity gets as low as half and continues to decline afterwards. You cannot get away from aging, as it's a dispensation of nature. What you can do is to try your best to maintain your immunity at a high level. Many factors reducing your immune system surround you. Air pollution and smoking. Exposure to a certain type of chemical at your work for a long time. A lack of physical exercise in a vehicular society, etc. As the proverb, "Medicine and food have the same origin," goes, a proper diet helps to maintain and enhance your immunity. A modern diet in our well-fed era puts you in such an environment full of factors that cause your immunity to be weakened. These include food additives, processed foods, fast or instant foods, and so on. Here let us talk about an immune-enhancing food, arabinoxalan, that our lab has confirmed to be effective. Arabinoxalan is an active dietary fibre extracted from rice bran. Data is taken from some papers published between November 1995 and July 1996. This case shows an experiment of having administered arabinoxalan to 25 test subjects. Significant increases in NK cell activity were found in all subjects. In the quickest case, an increase was recognized 1 week after the start of administration. Such an increase was discovered not only in NK cell activity, but also in T cell activity. B cell activity was similarly enhanced. As the study shows, arabinoxalan could activate NK cells as well as T cells and B cells. A study comparing the proliferation of leukocytes shows that the number of leukocytes tripled with arabinoxalan in cultivation for 3 days, compared with the number of leukocytes cultivated without it in the same period of time. This is one of the effects of arabinoxalan that helps the secretion of interferon gamma in the human body. The synthesis of interferon by arabinoxalan activates NK cells and other immune cells at the same time. I believe scientists and physicians will be more concerned with the importance of immunity being maintained at a high level. This is for 2 reasons. First, the immune system of a human being in the modern world is exposed to stresses and pollution and gets weaker against virus infections and cancer. Also, no one can get away from the aging that causes the immune system to deteriorate. Needless to say, it's important to protect yourself from cancer or from virus infections before cancer grows larger or infections spread throughout your body. If you unfortunately fall ill, physicians or medicine may help you to recover, but what actually cures you is the healing power you have within yourself. Enhancing your immune system is the key to maintaining a healthy life. I think it's important and necessary to put our studies forward in order to build up more data.